Hi everyone, welcome to Sacred Geometry, the language of the universe. I am pleased to meet you. My name is Seth, and I'm here to introduce sacred geometry to the whole world. I have been obsessed with sacred geometry since 2012, where I had my spiritual awakening. And prior to that, I have been always wondering about these shapes and forms that are very intriguing, and I've been doing some research about sacred geometry, and I found some astonishing answers, and I am here to share that with you guys. So the purpose of this channel is to expose sacred geometry to the people who are very interested in the subject, but in a very, I would say, clean, modern way. I am a designer, and I would like to fuse my knowledge of design with what I learned about sacred geometry and bring them together and share it with you guys. So I am going to be doing some arts, some sacred geometry arts. In my opinion, sacred geometry is the language of the universe, because sacred geometry has all of the basics of the geometry we know, the geometry of ourselves, of the things we encounter in our daily lives, the geometry of nature, of space, of water. Because remember that everything is geometry. And this has been discovered in quantum physics. So if you have been wondering about what the flower of life is, or the Vesica Pisces, or the Metatron cube, or the egg of life, or the seed of life. Now every time you try to do some research about sacred geometry on the internet, most of the websites that introduce sacred geometry or explain it seem like they're a little bit shady or occult. And the purpose of this channel is to make sacred geometry available in a very modern way, in a very designy way, which I noticed that no one has done. So we're gonna have a lot of fun in this channel. I'm gonna introduce tons of amazing sacred geometry concepts to you guys. I think it's something that needs to be taught in schools. I think it's something that everyone should know. I think sacred geometry needs to be mainstream. A lot of the things that I'm going to share with you guys are esoteric in nature because it's a result of the research that I have been doing for the past few years. So this channel is for people who are looking to find more information about sacred geometry, or for people who are interested to know what the heck is sacred geometry. And I will do my best to introduce and explain to you that as much as I can. So I am so excited to start this with you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.